lots of plastic bottles at home and do not know what to do with it? Here's one fun and effective way to utilize it. Keep the bottle horizontally and make rectangular cuts on top of the bottle. Now fill some soil into it and plant your favorite plant. It will be best if you plant hanging plants or plants whose roots do not go very deep into the soil. Now make holes onto the bottle so that you can pass a nylon rope through it and hang these bottles. The plants I have planted are spider plants, syngoniums, arrowheads, cradle plant, coleus and other similar kind of plants. Once you set up the bottles like this, then you can plant and you're ready to go.